I found two apps that anyone can use to start making money today. These apps are available worldwide no matter where you are from, and it's completely free to join. The first app in our list is Cash Run. If you love playing games, this is the right place for you to make money. Play this simple game. The payment system is based on coins. Create a completely free account and you will get 1000 coins as a sign up bonus. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, and even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. You can also make money by inviting your friends. Play the game and make some extra cash in your free time. The second app in our list is TimeBucks. TimeBucks is a global online rewards platform. It connects advertisers with users like you and me. This website pays real money by doing simple tasks, such as by viewing ads, completing simple surveys, playing games, and even liking content on social media. And yes, it is available worldwide no matter where you are from. This app has been around 2014 and has over 1 million users. So create a completely free account. It gives 50 cents sign up bonus and gives a daily bonus just to log in the website or app. You can also make money by inviting your friends. Invite a friend and get 15% lifetime commission.